CVW Sustainable Royalties is a royalty company that's focused on investing in operations and technologies that are engaged in making the three large commodity sectors, which is hydrocarbons, metals and materials, and agriculture, more sustainable.
CVW Sustainable Royalties is building a sustainability-focused royalty financing company. It provides project capital to operators that produce or recover commodities in more sustainable ways and earns royalty-based cash flow tied to production and revenue.
We provide a financing structure to these companies that allow them to invest in their projects and assets, and we provide our investors with a return from those royalties that are generated from those assets. So it's a lower risk way for investors to get exposure to the space.
In February 2026, CVW completed a royalty transaction with Relocalize, a company building micro-factories that produce packaged ice and cold packs closer to end users. CVW committed $4 million to support commissioning of Relocalize's first facility in Plant City, Florida, and development of a second site in Montreal in exchange for an initial 25% revenue royalty on those facilities, with the potential to deploy a total of $26.5 million over time.
With CVW shareholders, they're getting access to an innovative technology, very attractive risk-adjusted returns, and the way that we've structured the deal is we've only provided $4 million in the early stage of the deal, and then we'll provide capital over time as they continue to de-risk their business.
In April 2026, CVW secured a major strategic investment from Fairfax Financial, including a $50 million cornerstone investment that helped upsize financing to $100 million in total capital. Fairfax is now CVW's largest shareholder at roughly 30% on a fully diluted basis.
From our perspective, giving us the $100 million in capital today really shows the market that we're able to go out and execute deals effectively and efficiently. This has increased the openness of larger companies and more mature businesses in engaging with us versus where we were 6 months ago. So we've seen our opportunity set increase, the size of potential deals increase.
CVW takes a cautious approach to new deals. It screens opportunities against a clear checklist, including top-tier jurisdictions and predictability of cash flows. Before investing, it runs a staged due diligence process led by its internal team and supported by outside experts when needed. The focus is on projects that are close to commercial rollouts with clearer execution paths and lower technical risk.
The way that we think about it as a senior leadership group, both at the board level and management, is capital preservation is incredibly important. And if we are going to go deploy capital, they have to be on deals that we're very comfortable with and will really deliver against our mandate of providing strong risk-adjusted returns and cash flows back to our investors.